Okay, we're in the process of installing an antenna tower. By the way, those fence posts we put in a few weeks ago are starting to sprout. We didn't really have the luxury of waiting a year for them to season. Be interesting to see how that develops. Our old antenna tower got too rusty to be safe, so we're in the process of installing another one. The steel support section will be 16 feet. And plus we'll have another, I don't know, maybe 20 feet above that. So it'll be on up there. But we got to put the concrete in the hole, get everything lined up straight, and go from there. Just let a new rooster out to replace the one that jumped on Mom. We had to get rid of it, so we fed it to the dog, and every now and then we still kick the dog. Those pullets are 2 or 3 months old. I'd have to look on the books to tell for sure. And it looks like everybody's going to get along, more or less. Well, for what it's worth, we got the tower up. We had to put it up there so the dog couldn't get to it. It's replacing this mess here, which actually this end swung up, so it was about twice as high as that. But it kind of rusted to where it was too dangerous to mess with, so we didn't. So I'm guessing that's between 25 and 30 feet. That top section is 8 feet tall. So you can kind of go by the rest of it. The steel frame part here is 15 feet above ground level. And the thing is, we can use that steel frame if we can get some solar panels to go with them panels and put them down here on this end of the house. And we can use that tire as a cable support to run the cable over to the Morgan building, where all the controls and everything and the batteries are at. So that'll be a plus.